and let's get to it. Oh my God, there's lipstick on my teeth. I have to do it over. Okay, let's try again. Welcome, my beautiful blossoms. I'm so glad you're here. Mila and Such. We talk about makeup, entrepreneurship, art, and just creative things in general. I am so glad you found me. Today's video is a whole look from top to bottom. From the tip of my forehead till the tippy top of my chin. We're using some of my favorite products now that I have used them and put them on. I love them. From a really favorite YouTuber, Wayne Goss. I love him and I love his products. We did this eye look. Used his eyeshadow, blush, lipstick. Hopefully I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. I did have lipstick on my teeth. Let me use the technique. Hold on a second. That's usually works. Yeah, worked. So anyway, I hope you stick around, watch from beginning to end. Girl needs her hours for YouTubes, and I hope you tell me what you think. I hope you like this look. If you want to recreate it, that would be amazing. Let me know what products you would use. I strongly recommend purchasing Wayne Goss's, this is not sponsored, Wayne Goss's palette. I love his story. I love his channel. I really enjoy how he teaches. I love how genuine he is. I'm a fan. I'm a Stan fan. I'm a Wayne Goss fan. Anyway, enjoy. Right into the video. Guess what? I tried a new mic and the audio was awful. So this will be a makeup montage. Excuse the lighting. I was filming right when the sun decided to make way for the moon. I will attempt to do a full face tutorial again, I promise. So stay tuned and watch me put on my makeup while listening to some tunes. Thanks, guys. Apologies. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope you come back for more. Now, this is, we're practicing. This is a learning experience for everybody. Mistakes were made. I think this video is probably way too long, but I will keep trying and making it shorter. I will link all the products below. And I thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around, and hopefully this helped. See you later. Bye.
Sweets turn bitter, goods go